Came in clutch. Get the Weld racing rims. Big time clutch. Before look. Coney suspension with HR Lawrence springs. Doing the brakes and rotors, R1 Concepts. That's the old look. Got the rotor off. The old rotor. New rotor, R1 Concepts. With the black finish. Slotted and drilled. It's the look mounted. Weld's racing rims with the R888Rs. Yes, sir. R888Rs. We're gonna see if these bad boys hook and book like they should.